So once you're done, and you're like putting together a list of references, you can go to the OneSearch record of whatever you decide to cite, and here the quotation mark. If you just click on that, it'll show you the end citation that you can make, and it has 5 options here. So it has MLA, APA, Chicago, Turabian, MLA, an eighth, so a newer edition of MLA, and Harvard one. And it does, if you're signed in, it does remember your settings. So I've used APA the most, so it remembers that setting. And then it offers you the option to copy to the clipboard. And you'll have that when you want to copy and paste it anywhere. But you want to make sure that it's correct because there can be, little issues with capitalization or italicizing, things like that. So you just want to double check it with a style guide before you turn that in with your paper.